Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first challenge, let's take up our second challenge now, which is create a partner portal and enable partner account and users and add members. So once if you launch your playground, in quick find, I'm just going to search for digital, so that you will get the settings under digital experience. Just click on settings. So now I'm just gonna check this checkbox, enable digital experience, followed by save, followed by OK. So guys, now in quick find again I'm gonna search for digital. So before that, let's refresh the screen once, and now paste the same digital right over here, followed by settings, so that you will get this page. So here next to number of partner roles, I'm just gonna change this as 2, and now click on save. So guys, once if it is done, click on all sites, followed by new. So here let's choose our template. So if you scroll down, you will find this partner central template right over here. Just click on it, followed by get started. And for this name, let's go back to our challenge. So here you will find this name, just copy this and paste it right over here. And let's do it the same for our URL as well. Just copy this and paste it over here. So if you observe here, I'm not using the slash in front of this name, so make sure you are also following the same. And now click on create. So our site has been created, and now let's go to our challenge. So as our next step, we are just gonna over to account. So for that, let's click on back, and now click on back to setup. So guys, here in this app launcher, I'm just going to search for accounts, and click on the result. And in this list view, I'm just gonna make it as all accounts, and here you can choose any account whatever you like, and I'm just clicking on Gene Point. On your right side, if you click on drop down, you will find this enable as partner option. Just click on it, followed by enable as partner. So once it is done, click on this Gene Point account header again, and now click on this Gene Point. So if you click on this gear icon, you will find this edit object. Click on edit object. So guys, here go to page layout, followed by account layout. So guys, now I'm just gonna click on mobile and lightning action, and just scroll a little down, and now we are gonna drag and drop this enable as partner over Salesforce mobile and lightning experience action. So for that, just click on this override the predefined action link, which is given right over here in highlights, and now you can drag it. So here if you see, enable as partner has been already added into the section. Now just click on save, and let's do the same for contact as well. Click on object manager again, and in quick find, I'm just gonna search for contact. So once if you get the result, click on it, and now go to page layout, followed by contact layout, and now go to mobile and lightning action. Again click on override the predefined action. So if you see here as well, enable partner user as well as disable customer user has been added already, and now click on save. So these two steps you should do only if you are not able to see enable button over there in accounts. So guys, now let's go back to our accounts. So here I'm just gonna search for account and click on the result, and in list view go to all accounts. We are just gonna repeat the same for edge communication. Click on edge communication. So on your right side you will find enable as partner. Click on it, followed by enable as partner. So we are gonna repeat this for express logistics and transport. So you can search in global search as well instead of going there to account and searching. So if you see we got a result, just click on it and now repeat the same step. Just click on the drop down on your right side, followed by enable as partner, followed by enable as partner again. So guys, now I'm just gonna click on view profile, the astro symbol which you will find out on your corner, right corner. So here click on settings. So this is basically our personal information, and now let's go back and click on our setup. So you can hover through gear icon followed by setup so that you will get this page, and now go to your home. In quick find search for user and click on users. So here next to your name just click on edit, and here change your role to CEO. So once it is done, click on save. So guys, now let's go back, and in global search I'm just gonna search for edge communication. So once if you get the result, just click on it. So here as well I'm just gonna enable as partner. So if it is already enabled, you can find scene Forbes in contact. Just click on this. So in this drop down you will find enable partner user, enable it. So here in user license I'm just gonna give partner community followed by partner community user for profile. So in this email we are gonna change it to our mail ID. So once if it is done, deselect all these three checkbox, and now let's come down, make sure this generate new password is enabled, and now click on save, and now click on OK. So guys, here while saving, if you are encountering this kind of error, just duplicate this tab and go to our setup. In quick find search for digital. So under digital experience you will find the settings, click on it so that you will get this page. So here if you scroll down you will find this particular option which is allow using standard external profile for self registration, user creation and login. Just enable this followed by OK, and now click on save. So you have to refresh this once, and now click on save followed by OK. So you won't get any error now. So guys, now we are gonna repeat this step. So let's go to our app launcher followed by accounts. Just click on it. So in global search again I'm gonna search for edge communication, so which is right over here. You can also select. So in contact you will find this Rose Gonzalez. So if you click on this, go to your right section, enable partner user. So here just change your mail, and I'm just gonna change username as well. And in user license give partner community followed by partner community user, and scroll down, deselect these three checkbox, and now click on save followed by OK. And guys, now let's go to our app launcher again, followed by accounts. So just click on accounts. Let's do the same for our express logistics. Click on express logistics and transport. So here you will find two more contact. We are gonna repeat the same process for those two contact as well. So next to Josh Davis, I'm just gonna open this in new tab, and you will find Barbara as well. Open this in new tab. So for Josh, I'm just gonna click on enable partner user, and for Barbara as well, I'm just gonna click on enable partner user, and here repeat the same step. So I'm just gonna change username and give role as our partner person account. So you don't have to bother about this role in particular. So we are just gonna make sure we are giving partner community and partner community user for user license and profile. So once if it is done, uncheck these three checkbox, and now let's go down and click on save, followed by OK. So here it says invalid email address. Let's change this, and now click on save, followed by OK. And let's hover back to our Barbara, and I'm gonna repeat the same step again and change username as well. And for user license, I'm just gonna give partner community user for profile. And now let's uncheck these three checkbox and scroll down, followed by save, followed by OK. So guys, successfully we are done with this. Now close these two tabs. Let's go back here. So here in quick find, I'm just gonna search for digital again, and just click on all sites now. And here next to Ursha Major, we are just gonna click on workspaces, and now click on administration. And here on your left side, go to members. So in search, I'm just gonna give it to all. So here if you scroll down, you will find this partner community user. Just select and add this. And if you scroll up, you will find customer community user. Just add this as well. So now scroll down and click on save. So guys, now if you click on this administration, you will find this builder. Just click on the builder, and now just close this and click on publish on your right corner, and again click on publish. So now click on got it. So if you over to your left side, you will find administration. Click on administration again. So now go to members, and let's go to settings and click on activate, followed by OK. So it got activated. So once if it is done, this is all about this challenge. Let's go back, scroll down and click on verify step. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our second challenge as well. So remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.